TNXP stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Tonix Pharmaceuticals is a buy or not for me. So watch this very short 1 minute video till the end. So in general, just observing this, 8% down on Friday is like not that big of a needle mover, because like if I look at the weekly chart, you will have to, yeah, this is a bit of a higher time frame. We just have like a big weekly candle, which is 44% down. The week before that actually was the even crazier, which was 154% down. So you can see we're like kind of all over the way, all over the place with the TNXP. I mean, in general, I'm very optimistic about this. If the price gives me a double break, I mean, people think that I'm gonna like, once tomorrow rolls around Monday, when we have 2 more trading days of the year, people think that I'm just gonna buy. No, it's the furthest away from the truth that I will do. First of all, if I see the price giving me a double break, only then, only after that, I'm actually buying. I mean, everything else in the meantime is just me reacting instead of assuming. So I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.